What to do, y'all boys? It's Romeo Fishing in. We back here with another video, man. Look, I got my first John boat. We're gonna take it out for a spin and see how it go. Look, target species today is some bass. Yeah, gonna go out there and have fun. Y'all boys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how the content is. We gone. It be looking pretty now. Alright, y'all. I like where I'm at. Coming dock right here. Up in the front. Gotta keep the life jacket, gotta be safe. Okay, y'all. So today, what we're gonna be using, today we're gonna use that whopper. I call that bit a chopper though. So we're gonna get active, see what the hell we can do. All right, let's do it. All right. Trying to get some tall water action, bitch. Gotta get something to chase that bit. Let me try to run it up against the bank. Well, from the bank. Oh, got one. Got one. Yep, he on. Okay. Got a little small mouth. Boy. He on, boy. Okay. Yeah, buddy. A little small mouth. Can't do nothing with him, fortunately. Get that boy back in the water. Gone. Alright, that's that chop. First fish on the chop. That treble hook. I said treble hook. Let's see if we can get some more with this plopper. Heck yeah. Oh. That's how I'm gonna hit it on the edge right here. They really hitting that bit too. What? My hands dirty in the bit. Don't never do what I'm doing, y'all. That's how you clean your hands. Never do that. But if y'all want to lose a finger, go ahead. But yeah, alright, y'all boys. We back. This is my bread and butter. I don't really know what this lure called, but what I do know is watermelon seeds. That's the color of it. I'm gonna go out there and see what we can do. Alright. There we go. I like the edge. Wish I came out here a little more earlier, because definitely would have been a lot more action. Yeah. fish start to slow up during this time. Best thing I could do is just wait till nightfall, then give it to y'all. I think I got one. I got a bite. Oh no, I missed him. I wasn't paying attention. I should have set that hook sand down. Okay. Hold on, let me get back out there. There we go. Come here. Yep. We on. Brought some small fish, man. Dang. These are the fish, though. Oh yeah, get your little wobble out. Hook that boy right in the damn bottom lip. Man. I set that hook so hard, he took a shit on himself. Small stuff. Use it. Woo, that was something big. I heard that thing from over here. I think it's about that time. It's starting to get dark. Oh Lord, yeah, ain't see that. Boy, if I fall in this kayak, I'm gonna cry. Yeah, it's time to get nighttime. 20 minutes from now, that's when the battle began. Alright, get that chop out there. It's a little dark. They hear that little chopper, they might go crazy. Get right between this. What I do? There we go. Yep, we on. Yep, I told y'all, we on. As soon as I cast out that big one too, we on. Yep, we on. Come here, boy. Yo, y'all boys, Romeo fishing, man. This is what we do, man. That big one. Yeah, we get that boy on the boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We on. Big boy. That's what I'm talking about. Me get him in the boat. Oh Lord, boy, don't bite my finger off. Oh Lord, don't bite my finger off. You know what? Get your ass like in like that. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. That big boy. Yes, Lord. Let me get my pliers. Damn, that's what I can. This might be my PB. Let me see how much you weigh. My PB 8 pounds. Nah, he ain't 8. He like 5. He probably 6. Let's see, you ready? Yeah, we good. Y'all boys can see that? That's that 5 pounder. Heck yeah. Woo-wee. Let's get him back in. Man, I be trying to tell y'all, man, this what the hell I do, boy. Romeo fishing. This is what I do, boy. And that's my leg, by the way. That's my leg correct to a fish, boy. Tried to tell y'all boys this is what I do, boy. Real deal. That's that chop. Let's see if I get y'all boys on camera. Fuck you mean? Romeo fishing, man. Y'all boys go clock in. Cleveland.